The bigger paradox involved in the matter of individuality is structurally represented by the circumstance where, while a person needs to preserve a very private and hopefully intelligent individual dimension of thinking, so not to get hypnotized or conditioned or influenced or even made stupid by the external individualities and collectives, at the same time, and nevertheless, one's personal perception of individuality and identity is unfortunately already conditioned by countless of agents, both vertically, meaning the past, and horizontally, which refers to the actual life a person is living. So, the type of individuality or the psychological identity that functions accordingly to a certain group identity, whether it be the family's network of meanings, or the tribe, or the society in general, or whatever the mimiplex, the complex of memes is all about, and it has been, and both the timelines, despite eventually this person, this individuality appears to be in sync somehow with the current and currently accepted memetic conceptualization of so-called normality, nevertheless, this kind of mentality, this kind of individuality, and therefore this kind of psychology in person, is a type of individuality and identity that, paradoxically enough, basically operates disorderly and dysfunctionally. And that's precisely why, not from a biological viewpoint, but rather from a memetic one, including an historical, a sociological, a psychological, and an epistemic and anthropological one, this kind of individuality, more or less, but inevitably, lives in an almost perpetual state of potential or actual conflict with other individualities and the memeoids with which they are powered.